Hi, my name's Samantha Lacey. I'm a doctoral candidate at the University of Connecticut in the Industrial Organizational Psychology program. And today I'm going to be talking about what it's like working on the railroad during COVID-19, presenting the results of a case study analysis investigating railroaders' perceptions of safety culture and their railroad's response to the pandemic. So, COVID presents a unique opportunity to look at the strengths and opportunities to improve an organization's safety culture. In the U.S. freight rail industry, operations did not pause over the course of the pandemic. Given the importance of safety and safety culture in this industry, it's fruitful to examine how railroads are responding to the pandemic and to how employees are perceiving this response. In order to start looking at this, we conducted a mixed methods case study analysis utilizing archival survey data collected from one large U.S. freight railroad in mid to late 2020. We analyzed data from 196 participants who provided a total of 358 open-ended comments about their railroad's COVID response. We evaluated average responses from a 78-item measure of safety climate perceptions, which was a part of a larger safety culture assessment conducted by the Shortline Safety Institute. We also looked at a one-item survey measure and responses from an open-ended comment section that assessed employees' perceptions of their railroad's COVID response. All open-ended comments were coded into themes and categories and then assigned a valence of either negative, neutral, or positive. Bivariate analyses and regression were then used to look at the relationship between perceptions of safety climate and the railroad's COVID response. The results of our qualitative analysis showed some mixed sentiments from employees about whether or not their organization was supplying enough COVID supplies like gloves, masks, and wipes. Although many stated that these supplies were being made available, many also noted that at times they felt there were not enough or they were difficult to access, and in general, there was room for improvement in sanitization. Another top theme to emerge was the perception that COVID policies could be more consistently enforced. Based on some of the other themes that emerged, we speculate this may stem in part from the varying beliefs people have about the legitimacy of the pandemic, mask wearing, and the need for these policies. The results of our quantitative analysis showed that there was a moderate positive relationship between safety climate perceptions and perceptions of the railroad's COVID response. Looking into this further, we found that employees' safety climate perceptions actually predicted the valence of their open-ended comments about the railroad's COVID response. Taken together, the result of our case study analysis showed that railroad employees perceived some opportunities for improvement in their railroad safety culture and COVID response. Additionally, more positive perceptions of safety culture ended up predicting more positive perceptions of the railroad's COVID response. This finding in particular bolsters existing literature demonstrating the value of having a strong organizational safety culture, especially in these times. Future research should look at these relationships across multiple railroads and in other safety conscious industries.